Hi guys, it's Brad from PR United, and today I'm just giving you a quick sneak peek of one of the tools I'm working on at the moment. So this tool, I'll explain to you how I use it. I use it to help profile people and also locate subjects. Um, and the way this helps is I can visually see where they are at any point in time. Obviously, if I've got that data. So what this allows me to do is import Excel data, so any data from Excel spreadsheet or CSV file is the actual format it uses, and displays that data on the map. So for an example, I'll grab a test file I've got here, and you'll notice it's populated wholly by markers. So this test data actual tweets from a subject. So I can click on one of the markers and it'll tell me the date and tell me the tweet they made, longitude and latitude. And straight away you can see there's a big cluster of tweets coming from this individual. Uh, so how can this help? How does this help me locate people? Pretty simple. I zoom in a bit more, we can see there's a shopping centre and there's a tweet from a house. So Twitter does give you some geodata on the Twitter website itself. It'll tell you the suburb the person's tweeted from. But the longitude and latitude they give you is pretty accurate. It's within a couple of centimeters. So we know this person tweeted from this house on Wednesday, April 15th at 11:24 a.m. This could be their house. We've got a tweet from a shopping centre that's close by. If you read the tweet, it might give you some information as well. Just setting up for another big night. So that could be that person's house. We've got all these tweets in town, so we can click, we can view. So this is where they spend the weekend. Yeah, this tweet was done the Saturday. Another one on a Thursday, Sunday, and Friday. So we can start to see what this person actually does. And if we zoom out, we can see down here, what else is the person doing? Oh, they're going to a golf club. When do they go to a golf club? They go to a golf club on a Thursday, close to 9 p.m. And this one, it's on a Sunday, close to midnight. So we know the hangouts this person has. We've got some right at the top here, and it's an airport. So this can not only help you profile a subject, but also locate a subject. And if you've got a client coming to you saying, look, we haven't got a lot of cash, but we want to do surveillance, where do you recommend? Do a little bit of recon, you get a Twitter feed, or you get an address history feed, or some information on friends and family. Plot it on the map and have a look where all the majority of the markers are. Twitter feed really does help you with that. And give it to your client. So click on this icon and draw a marker around where all the tweets are, the majority of the tweets are. And you could print this off and give it to your client saying, this is the area I believe we should be setting up surveillance. And this is why. This is where a lot of their activity is, date and time, and away you go. Alternatively, you could just give them the CSV file with the data, send them a link to this map, and they can upload it themselves, and they can have a bit of a look around as well. So there's lots of uses. It doesn't have to be for reports. It can just be helping you locate a subject, profile a subject. Most of the dash cams nowadays have longitude and latitude tracking in there, or logging. So you can actually export that to CSV format, which means you can upload it straight into this site, and you can visually see where you are any point of time, or any of your vehicles. So hopefully that helps. Working on it at the moment. It will be up and running pretty soon. Um, it's set up at the moment for Twitter data because that's what I'm using it for at the moment. So by setup I mean I've got these headers, so date and tweet. If I load in other data, so national ferry terminals, it's going to say date, passenger, tweet, Williamstown. That doesn't make any sense. What it should say is what type of terminal is it and what's the location. It's because in the JavaScript I've set up the headers to say date and tweet. So, depending on how you want to use it, it's set up for Twitter just because of the table headers, but you can import any data you like as long as it's in the right format, which is first column latitude, second column longitude, and then the next two columns are your attributes, which could be a date stamp and description. If you send me a message on Facebook or on YouTube and just let me know what you would use this for, what type of data you'd be importing, and whatever the most popular one is, I'll set it up for that type of data set. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps. This will be coming into the members area soon. I'll leave it in the free area when I first release it, just give everyone a bit of a taste and a bit of a play around, see if it's worth their while. And then it'll make its way over into the member area with the rest of the tools. Thanks for watching. Any questions, feel free to ask me via Facebook or YouTube.